Hi, I'm Paul. I'm the accommodation expert at Byway. In this series, we'll be sharing all of our advice, tips and tricks on how to plan a DIY slow travel trip. If you'd rather not untangle the web of reservations yourself, Byway can take the whole trip off your hands. We'll build your route, book every train, every ferry and every hotel, and stay on hand throughout your trip in case anything needs replanning. You can also find our full blog series linked below for an even more in-depth guide. We hope you find this useful. New to Interrailing? Setting up a pass for the first time can be daunting, so here's an overview of what to expect. What actually is Interrailing? Travelling flexibly across Europe by train on a single pass. Interrail has been the backbone of multi-country rail travel since 1972 and now covers about 33 countries and about 100 mountain railways. What is the difference between Interrail and Eurail? Interrail is for UK and EU residents, while Eurail is for everyone else. Same product, same Rail Planner app. How to download and set up the app? Download the Rail Planner app from the App Store, load your pass, create a trip, and then add each journey. It takes a bit of time on the first go, but becomes second nature after a leg or two. How do you activate a journey? Activate each journey the morning that you travel and show your QR code at the gate. On rest days, the pass stays dormant, so no travel day gets used. Still have questions? Byway customers get an invite to a live Interrail workshop alongside their journey guide, a short walkthrough and a live app demo. We also have a longer video available on how to set up an Interrail pass for an upcoming Byway trip. This is one part of a 10-part video series on how to DIY slow travel. See below for the full series. And of course, if you'd rather not untangle the web of reservations yourself, Byway can take the whole trip off your hands. We'll build your route, book every train, every ferry and every hotel, and stay on hand throughout your trip in case anything needs replanning. Thanks for watching and happy planning.